The conditional formatting function can format the cells fulfilling specific conditions. With this function, we can quickly compare data in a worksheet. The worksheet in this example records the performance of staff. What if we want to highlight the top 3 performances? When there is a large amount of data, conditional formatting can quickly filter the first 3 maximums. Select cell C2, then press Ctrl-Shift-Down for quick selection from cell C2 to C26. Go to Home and click the Conditional Formatting drop-down button. Choose Top Bottom Rules and then Top 10 Items. Change the number 10 to 3 in the pop-up window and click the drop-down button. Here we can choose from the default formats. We can also select Custom Format for more types. If we choose Custom Format, we will see a pop-up dialog. In this example, we choose Font, adopting the style italic and the color white. We can also set the border and the filled color. Finally, click OK to highlight the top 3 with the format we just set. When 2 cells are filled with the same data, 95 for example, it means the 2 students get the same ranking. On such occasions, conditional formatting will highlight the 2 cells. Therefore, it will fill 4 cells with colors. That's all for today's tutorial on conditional formatting. Did you get it?